Hello all of you, welcome to our new video on Microsoft Excel. So today we are going to see another type of data visualization technique in charts and graphs in Excel. So as usual, let's start Microsoft Excel. From the start menu, go to Excel, click on blank workbook. I will zoom it for easy visualization. Let's have a set of data as usual again. Student A, B, C, D and E and marks out of 100. So let's say A has 50 marks, B has 75, 30, 80 and 60. So select the data with the help of mouse or by pressing shift button and down arrow button. Click on insert. So today we are going to see this type of chart or only line, or we can take bubble. So click on this bubble chart and resize your chart. So see what you get. So we are getting these two bubbles, but the remaining bubbles are inside. Means see, we will increase the range. Suppose take marks out of 200, take this as 150. This is 150 and this is suppose 120. So see, this is the range. For this suppose 30, we take 80. So this range has been increased. So the lower range is 60 here, which is 60. If you add the data labels, you can observe in this way. Add data labels. So it is 80. We get 80 also here. If you add data labels here, you get 150. And you can just change the selection. Like this. So these two bubbles represent that the lower level in this particular chart is 60 and the higher level is around 150. Now suppose if you change this 60 to 40, now what happens? See, it doesn't change. If you change this 60, the bubble has just reduced. So in this way, we can make use of a bubble chart in order to predict the minimum and maximum values in the particular chart. Thank you all of you.